Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top products on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into our exciting countdown of the best-selling cleaning kits. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just looking to keep your space spotless, these top-rated kits have you covered. So without further ado, let's get started and unveil the best cleaning kits that Amazon has to offer. Stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Introducing number 5 on our list of the best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon, the Armor All Interior Car Cleaning Wipes Kit. This versatile kit is your go-to solution for maintaining the pristine condition of your car's interior. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about protection, shine, and preservation. Imagine this. You slide into your car, and the leather seats feel as supple as the day you bought it. That's the power of Armor All Leather Care Wipes. These wipes are specially formulated to preserve the luxurious appearance and the soft, conditioned feel of your leather upholstery. No cracks, no fading, just pure plush leather. Next, turn your attention to the windows. Those glass surfaces can be tricky, but with Armor All Glass wipes, you get a crystal clear, streak-free shine. Every swipe banishes smudges and fingerprints, leaving your view unobstructed and your interior looking immaculate. Now let's talk about hygiene. In today's world, disinfecting is more important than ever. Armor All Disinfectant wipes do more than just clean. They disinfect, ensuring your car's interior is free from germs and bacteria. These wipes reveal the car's rich, natural beauty while lifting away dirt and debris. They're tough on messes, but gentle on your car's delicate surfaces. Finally, the Armor All Protectant wipes provide a protective barrier against the daily wear and tear. They defend against UV damage, prevent cracking, and keep your dashboard, doors, and trim looking like new. This 4-count car wipes kit is a comprehensive solution for car enthusiasts who demand the best for their vehicle. It cleans, it protects, it shines. With Armor All, your car's interior will look sparkly clean without any damage to the surfaces. There you have it, Armor All Interior Car Cleaning Wipes Kit. A must-have for any car owner who values a spotless, well-maintained interior. Clean, disinfect, protect, and shine, all in one kit. Presenting number 4 in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon, the Chemical Guys Whole 357 Clean and Shine Car Wash Starter Kit. This kit is your ticket to transforming your vehicle into a gleaming masterpiece, whether you're a seasoned detailer or just starting out. Let's dive into what makes this 7-piece set a standout. Picture this. It's a sunny day, and you're ready to give your car the ultimate spa treatment. You start with the Diablo Wheel Cleaner. It's ready to use, safe for all wheels, and effortlessly lifts away brake dust, dirt, and grime. Scrub it into your tires and watch them return to their original glory, looking just as pristine as when they first hit the road. Next up, it's time for a bath, citrus wash, and gloss. This isn't just any car wash soap, it's hyper-concentrated and infused with gloss enhancers. Imagine 1/16 ounces, bottle giving you up to 16 washes. Your car doesn't just get clean, it shines with an eye-catching gloss that makes the paint pop like never before. Now, let's step inside. The Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is your all-in-one solution for every surface inside your vehicle. Dashboards, windshields, leather, vinyl, cloth, carpet, plastic, wood trim, chrome, rubber. It works on them all. And it doesn't just clean, it protects, ensuring your interior looks superior and stays that way. Chemical Guys products are crafted for both beginners and professionals. They're professional grade for top-tier results, yet simple enough for anyone to achieve stunning outcomes. This kit is universal fit, meaning it's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, Jeeps, RVs, and more. But Chemical Guys is more than just a brand. It's a family, a lifestyle, driven by adventure, a passion for shine, and a love for the open road. When you choose Chemical Guys, you join a global community that shares your enthusiasm for pristine vehicles. So gear up and make your car look like new again with the Chemical Guys Whole 357 Clean and Shine Car Wash Starter Kit. Clean those wheels, give your car a sparkling bath, and make your interior look superior. Whether you're detailing for the first time or the 100th, this kit is your perfect partner. Introducing number 3 on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon, the TICARVE 2-pack Cleaning Gel Car Putty Slime. This isn't your average cleaning kit. It's a high-tech solution that makes detailing your car interior a breeze. Let's delve into why this product is a game-changer. Imagine trying to clean those impossible nooks and crannies in your car. The air vents, the tiny crevices on the steering wheel, the console panel, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel gets into all those hard-to-reach spots. It's perfect for picking up dust and debris that regular cleaning tools just can't reach. Using it is a breeze. Simply take out the gel with dry hands, knead it a few times to get it pliable, and then press it lightly onto the dust surface. Slowly pull it back and voila! The dirt and dust are gone, lifted away effortlessly. It's like a magnet for grime, more effective than a vacuum cleaner in many cases. What's more, this cleaning gel is reusable. Use it multiple times until it changes color from bright and clean to dark and dirty. When you're done, just put it back in the jar and seal it. Store it in a cool place, below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready for next time. Just remember, don't wash it with water. Now, let's talk about the materials. Made from high-tech material, this cleaning putty is not only effective but also delightful to use. The blue gel has a soothing lavender scent, while the rose-colored gel smells of cherry blossoms. It's sticky enough to pick up all the dust and debris, but not to your hands. No residue left behind, just clean surfaces. But the magic of TICARVE Cleaning Gel doesn't stop at your car. It's also incredibly useful for home and office. Clean your PC keyboard, printer, cell phone, calculator, TV remote, and even furniture. The only requirement? The surface should be dry for the dust cleaner to stick properly. So elevate your cleaning game with the TICARVE 2-pack Cleaning Gel Car Putty Slime. It's versatile, reusable, and delightfully scented. Perfect for those who demand a spotless car interior and beyond. With this cleaning gel, no corner is too tough to tackle, no crevice too small to clean. Get yours and experience the high-tech way to a cleaner car and home. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon? Well, don't let the dust settle. Give it a clean sweep by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on the sparkle. Introducing number 2 in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon, the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun with Microfiber Wash Mitt. This kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve a professional-grade car wash at home. Let's dive into the features that make this product a standout. Picture this: you're in your driveway, armed with the SwiftJet Foam Gun. No more trips to the commercial car wash. You're saving time, saving money, and getting superior results right at home. This foam sprayer offers 6 different foam spray settings and a rinse spray, ensuring you have everything you need to make your vehicle shine. Whether it's your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, or even outdoor furniture, this foam gun is perfect for all your cleaning needs. Adjust the water pressure and foam ratio settings to suit the task at hand. The thick car wash foam it creates is perfect for lifting away grime without scratching your precious surfaces. Connecting the sprayer to your garden hose is a breeze. The 3/8-inch brass connector ensures a secure fit, and you're ready to blast away dirt. The ergonomic handle and anti-skid body design make it comfortable to use, allowing you to clean efficiently and effectively. Let's talk about the foam. Oh, the foam. The SwiftJet Foam Gun mixes water and soap solution to create the perfect thick foam that clings to your vehicle, lifting away dirt and debris. 6 foam spray settings mean you can customize the foam to your liking, and the rinse spray makes washing it all away a snap. And the Microfiber Wash Mitt? It's the cherry on top. Soft, gentle, and highly absorbent, it ensures a scratch-free clean every time. Your car will look like it just rolled out of the showroom. SwiftJet stands by their products. Their promise is simple. If you're not happy, they're not happy. If you encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to make things right. So elevate your car washing game with the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun and Microfiber Wash Mitt. It's not just a car wash kit, it's your ticket to professional level clean right in your driveway. Get ready to blast away grime, adjust your foam, and enjoy a spotless, shiny vehicle every time. And here it is, the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling cleaning kits on Amazon. Number 1, the Armor All Protectant, Glass, and Cleaning Wipes Multi-Pack. This is the ultimate kit for car enthusiasts who want their vehicles to look immaculate inside and out. Let's explore why this product takes the crown. Picture this. You're armed with the Armor All Car Wipes multi-pack, ready to transform your car's appearance. Each pack contains 30 convenient, disposable wipes designed to clean, protect, and shine your vehicle, both inside and out. It's like having a professional detailer at your fingertips. First up, the Armor All Cleaning Wipes. These are not just any wipes. They lift away dirt and debris effortlessly, revealing your car's rich, natural beauty. Gentle on delicate automotive surfaces, yet tough on grime. Each swipe brings out the luster and vibrancy of your interior, making it look freshly detailed. Next, we have the Armor All Original Protectant Wipes. These wipes are your vehicle's shield against harmful elements. UV rays, oxidation, and other damaging factors are kept at bay, preserving that rich, luxurious look. Your dashboard, trim, and vinyl surfaces will thank you, staying supple and crack-free. Now let's clear things up with the Armor All Glass Wipes. Say goodbye to filmy residues, road grime, bugs, and fingerprints. These wipes leave your glass surfaces with a crystal-clear, streak-free shine. Your windows, mirrors, and windshield will sparkle, ensuring maximum visibility and a showroom finish. Armor All is the most trusted name in car care for a reason. Their products deliver exceptional results, and this multi-pack is no exception. It's an all-in-one solution that provides a just detailed look, combining effective cleaning with unparalleled protection and shine. So there you have it, the Armor All Protectant, Glass, and Cleaning Wipes multi-pack, the #1 cleaning kit on Amazon for a reason. It's versatile, powerful, and incredibly convenient. Your vehicle deserves the best, and with Armor All, that's exactly what you get. Clean, protect, and shine with confidence, and keep your car looking and feeling like new. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling cleaning kits on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.